Okay, I have a old piece of 3/4 inch thick plywood, and it is 15 3/4 inches wide, and I made a mark where I'm going to saw it to 17 inches long. Happily, my other half of my crosscut sled happens to already be cut down to size, which is 25 inches long by 16 inches wide. And I might as well give these a light sanding while I can still get to all the edges. Now, typically for the bottom runners, you want to use the hardest wood that you have at hand, and for me, that would be this piece of black walnut. And not all table saws are the same with where the runners slide into, and mine is just a hair off, so I have my saw all set up, and I'm just going to shave just the tiniest bit off. And that gives me a nice snug fit. Alright, now I'm just going to cut this down to the width of my board, which will be 16 inches. Okay, I want my runner to be flush with this, so I'm just going to slide it in there. And I'm just going to trace a line. Just like that. And now I will cut this down to that width. Now I'll go ahead and cut another one. Alright, and with that I have my two bottom runners, which will go on there like this. But first I need to measure the distance between my two little tracks for these. Okay, and the inside measurement is 10 inches. Alright, this might seem a little silly, but I'm going to use a drywall T-square to get a straight line on where that runner is going to go. Whatever works, right? Okay. Next guy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of wood glue. Put this on there, just like that. Spread it around, make sure it's all even. Okay, I'm going to put this one on. Gonna hold that and let the glue grab for a minute. Now I'm going to use a nail set just to set these in a little bit. Okay, I got ahead of myself a little bit and I went ahead and attached these two side pieces, the fences. And each of them measure 42 inches long. And this little trapezoid figure on top just keeps everything together. And that is 6.5 inches long at the bottom and 3 inches long at the top. And everything is just held together with these drywall screws, these really long ones that I have all along the bottom, and a little bit of wood glue to help it out. And these were just straightforward to get on there. And what happened now is I was just the slightest millimeter off with my two bottom runners. So what I've been doing is hand sanding one of these down to the right width so that they'll slide smoothly. Okay, and there's your finished crosscut sled. And some of the advantages of using a crosscut sled is you get a dead center cut. You would just put a block like this in there and then just run it along. Or you could clamp a stop block to the fence, put it up against it, and then make repeated cuts. And those are just some of them, and it's just a handy tool to have around the shop for your table saw. And thanks for watching. Please tell others about my channel. And check back every Friday now. I'm going to try to make a video every Friday. So thanks for watching.